This will be the last refinement pass for the sword girl, and after this we will be doing the hair.
They say run, girl run, but if I did that, where's the fun? I'm morbidly curious about you, I guess I'm ready to dive right in. And every time you lie, I like you more. Yeah, you're a different guy than you were before. I'm crazy out my mind from keeping score, but I wouldn't change a thing. Even when I hate you, I can't get enough. Even when you're gentle, I want it rough. I'm completely obsessed, but don't call it love. And every time you lie, I like you more. Yeah, you're a different guy than you were before. I'm crazy out my mind from keeping score, but I wouldn't change a thing. I may complain every day about you, but I'd be mad as hell if I lost you. You're a headache and heartbreak in a bow tie. Still I melt at the sight of your green eyes. And every time you lie, I like you more. Yeah, you're a different guy than you were before. I'm crazy out my mind from keeping score, but I wouldn't change a thing. Every time you lie, you are a different guy. I'm crazy out my mind. I wouldn't change a thing.
Alrighty, that's going to be it for this video, and I will see you in the next one where we will get started on the hair.